Near the sea, modernity, beauty. Deniz İstanbul. Imtilak Real Estate has been marketing for this project for 8 years. And now it's the turn of Bahar phase. It's not really different from other phases, but we are talking about high level. It's one of the highest places to see the sea and the lake. So we are in the marina, and marina is one of the special things in this project, that you have cafes, restaurants, and whatever you need for your lifestyle. Being on a high level is another thing in the lifestyle. You have the full view of the sea here, better than other sites. 574 apartments, different styles, 1+1 until 5+1. The 1+1 were sold out, just take the advantage. Also, the facilities, they have something central for all the stages of the project. The gym, the swimming pool, the sauna rooms, everything you need for you and your family. There is something makes this project really special. A golf area for your own lifestyle. There is also something else. Behind the project, there is a shopping mall serving all the residents of the project. Just name something that you need and there is not in this project. There is no sample flat for this stage, but there is just the same finishing in other phase, which is sadaf. Let's have a look at it. The flat is 3+1, 200 square meters. The net is 150. And let me tell you, this is in sadaf project, but it will be the same finishing. There will be the same space, and everything delivered here will be the same. Let's have a look at the rest of the flat. So here is the corridor, starting here with the bathroom. This is for visitors actually, and here is the first bedroom. Here is for clothing, yeah, and here's the master bedroom with the clothing. Oh wow, I really like it. And this is the sample flat, and as you saw, you will have the same in Bahar project. We finished editing the video, and now it's your time to finish your transaction. The project will be delivered within 1.5 years, and the installment plans are really remarkable. They are until 48 installments. Get your chance, and we're waiting for you at our office.